In the vast, serene grasslands of the digital savannah, nature unfolds in its purest form. A delicate ecosystem, a tapestry of life, beginning with the common duck or anise plattering joke, a truly majestic creature. A cat, the domestic cat, Phyllis Canis dramaticus, and interesting, if slightly addition to our questions. Is that a turtle? Biodiversity here. More diverse than my notes suggested. We have a duck, a cat, and now a turtle. Testero walks around, and a chicken, and a dog. A rabbit just appeared out of nowhere. Are they all migrating? Is this a committee meeting I wasn't aware of? Okay, it appears the entire animal kingdom has RSVP. The question is no longer, but why? And now their attention shifts. All eyes are on this. What is this substance? A stream of a naturally blue water. It's shimmering. It doesn't seem organic. It looks like liquid electricity. Or perhaps a melted blue raspberry popsicle. They're mesmerized, drawn to it. A silent, unspoken agreement seems to pass through the crowd. Someone must investigate. The duck, a brave pioneer. It's approaching the enamel. What will happen? This is either very brave or very, very stupid. Whoa! It cloned itself. There are 3 of them now. A yellow one, a green one. Since when do ducks come with user-selected color schemes? This is an upgrade. And the cat. Now we have a trio of cats plotting world domination. The chicken is now a bucket of chickens. This isn't nature. This is a copy-paste error. A biological glitch. They're all doing it. One after another. It's an assembly line of absurdity. The turtle is now 3 turtles. They're not fast, but they're numerous. A buffalo. It made more buffaloes. The meadow can't support this many buffaloes. The buffalo economy is in shambles. This is unsustainable. It's chaos. Pure, unadulterated, multicolored chaos. My PhD did not prepare me for this. I studied migratory patterns, not quantum duplication. And so, here they are. A vibrant, and frankly, a deeply concerning population. I think I need to go lie down. Don't drink the blue water.